You have 4 navigation menus on your site, and you'll need to update the links for each of those menus. So you have your top navigation, you have your footer, you also have the My Account link, which is how your members will manage their subscriptions. And then there are the side navigation menus if you decide to enable them. So the first question is, how do you find the links to connect these menu items to? So what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to the page you want to link to. For example, if I want to link to this blog category that I've created, I would go to the page and I would copy the portion of the URL after the .net or the .com. So that includes the /. And this is how you create an internal link. An internal link is when you link between pages within your own website. And I'll just take that and I'm going to go back and I'm going to click my menus item. Now it's important to remember that you have your public homepage and your member homepage, and the links on both those pages will need to be updated separately. So I'm on my public homepage and I want to add a link to my top menu. And so here's my top menu and here's my footer. I'll just click top and I'm going to add a new menu link, and I'll just paste in that internal link and I'll give it a title. And I might want to add a drop-down menu to this, so then I'll just say yes. Now I will not select to open in a new window because it's an internal link. So we never open internal links in new windows. This is only used for external links. And I'll just submit that. And you can see it's appeared at the bottom. And if I want to rearrange the order, I just click on the grab handles and move it about. Now I want to start adding links to my drop-down menu, and I'll just use the same link and give it a title, and I'll submit that. And if I click on the downward arrow, you can see that the list of my drop-down menu links is appearing here. And again, I'll be able to reorder it with the grab handles as well. So this is how you find those links. Now, another menu item that you'll want to update is the My Account link. Now, the My Account link, you'll need to go and select the member homepage, select menus, and now here you can see that you have the My Account link listed here. Now, let's just look at the items in the My Account link. So you can see these are all the different default options that are present, and some might not be relevant to your site. For example, if you decide you're not going to add a form to your site, then you'll want to hide this option from your members, or you want to just delete the link altogether because you don't have a form, so there's no point for this link to be present. And you also, you might want to change the link label. You can do that as well. Now, you also might want to enable side menus on your site. So how do we do that? Again, you'll select whether they are visible to the public or whether they're only visible to your members. So you'll select which homepage. And then the first thing you want to do is go to side navigations and enable it and select which blocks you want to be visible. So if I click add block, you can see all the different block options. I've already selected a few here. And the next step is to go to general settings and side navigation. And here are just some more options, the position, whether it's on the left-hand side of the page or the right-hand side of the page. And then you can choose which pages the side navigation will be present on. Although there is a homepage option, we don't recommend you putting a side navigation on the homepage. It's actually not very good for SEO. So I've just selected it to be on the article pages that are only visible for logged in members. And then, of course, save and publish. And let's just go to an article page so you can see what it looks like. So if I go to an article page, here you can see the side navigation menu. Now, there are also a lot of core pages, and if you want to find out the URLs for those core pages, just go to our support guides, type in core, and you can see here we have a page that lists the internal links for the core pages. For example, this is the link for the login. So that's, if you're creating a login link, you would use /static/login. This is the link for logging out. And this is the main courses page. So this is how you would create a bunch of different links. So this is a handy reference. So I think that is about it now on creating links.